West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee accused the central forces of murder in a fierce attack on the BJP, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Home Minister Amit Shah on Saturday evening. The Chief Minister was responding to what she called a planned attack at a polling booth in Cooch Behar district earlier today, where clashes with security forces led to the death of 4 people. Banerjee also said that Bengal Police CID would conduct a probe in the matter. 4 people were shot dead this morning in Bengal's Cooch Behar in a clash with security forces outside a polling booth. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi condoled the deaths but also slammed Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and her party. He said, "What happened in Cooch Behar is sad. I offer condolences to bereaved families. Mamata Didi and her goons are jittery because of groundswell of support for the BJP." A CISF quick reaction team coming under attack during a security patrol and injury to a child in the commotion are stated to have triggered the violence at a polling booth in West Bengal's Cooch Behar district, which left 4 people dead on Saturday. Preliminary investigation revealed that a large number of local people believed to be TMC supporters gathered at booth number 126 at Sitalkuchi in Mathabanga area and had an altercation with the central forces during the polling process. The firing took place around 9:35 am at Assembly Constituency number 5, booth number 126 in Amtali Madhyamik Shiksha Kendra under the Mathabanga police station in the Cooch Behar district. Amid the incidents of violence, West Bengal has recorded 76.16% voter turnout till 5 pm. The Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation on Saturday received 99,000 doses of Covishield vaccine after it complained of a shortage amid rising cases of COVID-19 in the city of Mumbai. The municipal body said the vaccines will be distributed to the civic and government-run vaccine centers for vaccination. The BMC also said in a statement on Friday that private vaccination centers in Mumbai will be closed until Monday due to inadequate availability of COVID-19 vaccines. Vaccination will, however, proceed as planned at all government and municipal hospitals. The civic body assured the people that it will get some stocks of the jabs by night, and the administration will attempt to resume vaccination at private hospitals as more shots become available. Amid escalating cases of COVID-19 in Delhi, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Saturday said that lockdown is not an option, but some restrictions will be put in place in the national capital, which is reeling under the 4th wave of coronavirus pandemic. The Chief Minister said this during an interaction with reporters after visiting the LNJP hospital, the mainstay of Delhi's fight against COVID-19, to review its preparedness. He said lockdown is not an option, however, we will be putting some restrictions in place to contain the spread of the virus. We will release the restrictions in the coming few days. COVID centers are being rebuilt and some have already started functioning. Kejriwal also said that the administration and hospitals are working to contain the 4th wave of the pandemic in the city. Delhi recorded more than 8,000 fresh cases of COVID-19 on Friday, the highest single-day surge since November 11 last year, while 39 more people died due to the coronavirus infection, taking the total death toll of the city to more than 11,000. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is addressing an all-party meeting via video conference to review the current COVID-19 situation in the state. The meeting is currently underway. The development comes a day after Maharashtra recorded more than 58,000 new COVID-19 cases and 301 deaths. The Maharashtra government has imposed a strict weekend lockdown from Friday night till 7 am on Monday. Home delivery of food and essential supplies and movement of students taking various exams are allowed. Streets near Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and headquarters of the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation wore a deserted look due to the weekend lockdown. This morning, India set another record high of daily COVID-19 cases by registering more than 1,45,000 infections in just last 24 hours. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.